How to convert Facebook friends to followers. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Facebook app. Sign into your account. Tap three-line icon at top right. Tap your profile at top of the screen. And as you can see that when you scroll down, you will see your friends. Currently I don't have, but if you have, you will see. Now simply tap three dots. And here you will see option of turn on professional mode. Select turn on professional mode and tap on turn on. So in my previous account, I didn't have my friends to show you followers, but for demo purpose, I'm on my another account where I have switched on the professional mode. So you can tap the three-line icon at top right again and go to your profile. So when you change your personal account to professional account, then you can see that our friends has converted to followers on Facebook. So just the trick is that you need to turn on professional mode. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.